porch light fading in a silver haze. Smoke hangs low where the blacktop breaks. Oh, banjo breathing through the dark, like a hand laid gently on a tired heart. The world keeps running somewhere out of sight. Headlights drifting through the edge of night. For the first time all week I let it go. Listen where the quiet grows. No thunder knocking at my door tonight. No ghost to chase beneath the porch light. There's an ocean under the noise, under all the static and the restless voice, under every highway line and every worry on my mind. It's waiting where the wild wind slows past the places everybody knows, like moonlight sleeping on the rolling coast. There's an ocean under the noise. Ghosted fiddle drifting through the pines, like an old friend saying you'll be alright. Nothing missing, nothing left to prove, just stars and shadows finding a room. There's an ocean under the noise, under all the static and the restless voice, under every highway line and every worry on my mind. It's waiting where the wild wind slows past the places everybody knows, like moonlight sleeping on the rolling coast. There's an ocean under the noise. Let it roll far below the ocean under